So this is the first video that you're seeing for this course. I'm going to be making videos about different concepts that you need to see because I'm not going to go over them so specifically in like lectures that we're going to have. So I'm making these videos. They're going to be fairly short, no more than 15 minutes, and they won't cover more than probably 2 concepts at a time. So they're very specific. You'll be able to go back to the ones that you need as far as, if you don't understand something, you'll be able to go specifically back to these concepts. So chapter 1 is an introduction to the human body. And in this chapter, there's basically 3 themes that you need to understand or get out of this. And the first one, theme number 1, is that structure determines function. So if you've read your chapter, which you should have, you should know, obviously, structure is the anatomy. Anatomy is the stuff that the body is made of, and function are what those things do. Okay, so structure determines function, and that something can't do what it is not built to do. Okay, so structure, just so you understand, of course, we're talking about the anatomy, and function is the physiology. Okay, and these 2 things are not separable. So they're inseparable. This concept has a specific name, and it's called the principle of complementarity. Complementarity. So structure determines function. So, for example, your elbow. Your elbow is what we call a hinge joint. So it can only do flexion and extension. You can only bend it up and down. It doesn't rotate or go to the side or anything like that. Your elbow only has those 2 movements to it because of its structure. Okay. So we're going to expand on that in the next video, and we're going to basically talk about how living systems develop. Okay.